Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back again to my channel. My name is Aisha Abba. I am a YouTuber based in Maiduguri, Nigeria. If you're stopping by for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. In this video, I will be showing you how I pack some of my Turarenwuta. So this is like a get ready with me, or should I call it how to package Turarenwuta. Yes, how to package Turarenwuta. So what I'll be showing you in this video is just some containers we use in packaging Turarenwuta. These containers I'll be showing you comes in different sizes, and they come in different prices too, and then each has its own like importance. Some are Nigerian made while some are foreign. The foreign ones are expensive. You know, anything shipped into Nigeria will be expensive because of all those custom duties and the rest. So the Nigerian made, they are good too, they are very good, but then they are not, they're good, they're very strong. There's one Nigerian made container I use that is very durable, very strong, and then there are some that are not strong, but then I would just advise you all to go with whatever you can and whatever your customer can afford. So I will not advise you to go for the expensive ones, because if you're going for the expensive ones and your customers cannot even buy your Bakhoors, buy your humras, and then you use expensive packaging, which will like cost one to from 500 naira to 1500 naira each. So I won't advise you to use the expensive one. You can just mix if you're making like the top notch Bakhoors, like the sandalwood, the sandal chips, Hawi, Halud, which are quite expensive. Then you can use like the foreign packaging, like the foreign packaging materials, like the foreign containers. But if you're making like the cheap bakurs, like the sandal flakes, the fruity bakurs, the gub gub, the kajiji, then I'll advise you can use the Nigerian made. But then if you also want to stick to one packaging container so that your brand will just be unique and just look fine, then you can stick to that too. But then you have to look at what your customers, you have to like put your customers in mind too. You have to give them something they can afford, so that they'll come back for more, especially if you are selling a very good and nice products for them. No matter what the packaging, just make sure the packaging is very good and standard. They will surely come for more, because if they value the products, they would not care about the packaging. If everything is intact, especially if nothing is spilling, the oils will not are not spilling, and the scent is not escaping, I think they will be okay with that. That except or we say we go into a situation whereby like the oils are spilling and the scent is escaping, then they will not they will not love to get the item in that packaging you. So I think that's it. And then if you don't forget to like seal, you need to seal your items. What I do when I want to seal my bakor, I just use a sellotape to just seal the jar, the cover, so that nothing will spill. That's what I use. But then there are other packaging, there are other items you can use to seal your bakurs and your hummus, your perfumes. So you can use that too. I think they call it hot gun. I think hot gun. I'm not sure, but I'll drop the name. I'll drop the name if in the description box when I come across it. So let's get into this video. So watch me while I pack watch me pack sandal flakes bakur, which has been sitting for like 2 weeks, and sandal rose bakur, which has been sitting for 2 weeks. I made it and it has cured for 2 weeks, so now it's time to add it to the packaging container for my customers to buy. So I have these beautiful bonners. You can see them at you can see the bonners. Let me just give you guys drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. Nice, right? They look so beautiful. So you can purchase them. They are available and they are very affordable. Like it's just 3,000 naira, 3,000 naira each, and 3,500 naira wholesale price. And then it depends on the size. Actually, I have this super cute pink one. I wish I can just let me show you guys closely. Let me show you. So you can see it's giving Barbie vibes. It's giving Barbie vibes. It's looking pretty. You can order for this, and it will be delivered to you, doorstep or pack delivery. So slide into my DM. I'll drop my number on the screen, and you can send me a DM on WhatsApp to order for this. It's very durable. It's metallic. You can see it's metal. It's metallic, and it is very beautiful. And it can serve as a decor piece too. It can serve as a burner, and it's so beautiful. So beautiful. I also have this super cute color. This color is giving. It's giving rich auntie vibes. Like, can you see this? I mean, have a closer look. This looks so beautiful. This is mine actually. If you want to order for this, you have to let me know earlier and then it will be customized. Yes, it will be customized, but this is mine. So we have other ones. I have cute ones here for our tables. This is super cute. This is so cute. Can you see this bonus? Mashallah, can you see them? Can you see them? So I'm waiting for your orders. Don't just slide into my DM and place your order now. So this container is a Nigerian made container. This is how it looks like. And let me show you the cover. This is how the cover looks like. And then it is 200 milligram, 200 milligram, and then this is the other one. This is the other one, and this is a Nigerian company. Mostly people that sell spices use this, and this is very good. This is very durable compared to this. You can see this is soft. This is not too strong, but then uh, except you're using force, but then this will last. Like it's good for your bakuri too. Then let me show you the other ones that I was talking about. Um, this is a foreign one. You can see how it comes. It even has like a polythene covering it. Like that's a leather. Let me show you to see. And then it has this stopper. So the oil is not going to spill when you use this type. And then it's affordable. It depends on where you get it. Other places they sell it as high as 8,000 naira. Yes, and then this is the flat one. We have the one that comes in long container. We have the one that comes in flat container, but this one is the flat one. So it's very good too. It's fine. It looks beautiful because it has a stopper. It has a stopper. Your oil will not spill. So if you are making like halud, hawi, sandal, original sandal chips, I also just use this or use bottles. Yes. So this is how it looks like. I love this one so much. I love this one so much. But then sometimes some people just want something like that is affordable and then you just have to get the Nigerian made for them. So I have this other bottles. This is a candle jar. I bought this to package my candles, that's make my candles in it. But then I just added this amazing sandal asal bokur, which I made some months ago. I made only like two. I have only two jars. I'm awaiting your orders, and it's super affordable. This is the original sandalwood. This is sandal asal. So this is another bottle. You can use this, but then uh this it's very strong. The bottle is strong, but if you're using this, make sure you package it with bubble wraps or something like carton, or just make sure you wrap it so that nothing will break. Yes. So we'll be packaging this bottle here because um yeah, it's under flakes. I want it to be very affordable. I will be packaging it here and then I want to sell it very affordable. So you can see how juicy our sandal it has infused properly. This has stayed for 2 weeks. 2 weeks, guys. 2 weeks. You can see it. So now I want to add it to my packaging jar and then advertise and await your orders. So guys, I'm done. I'm done packaging the Bakhoors. You can see them looking amazing. As usual, looking so juicy and rich. So guys, we're done. Alhamdulillah, I'm done. You can see how juicy and beautiful they look, and you can see our centers. This is so rich, super rich. So I am going to cover them now. You have seen it. If you have seen, this is how I package it. So when I cover it, everything will press. Yeah, everything will press down. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to drop your suggestion on what kind of videos you want to see next. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.